I do have one of my marriage rug kits that is looking for a new home. It is the one with the, the one with the lettering on it and the piece across. Now, I do have the pattern in here. I have the tissue paper pattern. I have the pattern for the tongues, and I have the lettering in there. The long piece is pre-cut. That's the size that you would need, so you wouldn't need to cut it. But the tongues are cut, and there's 100 tongues in there, but they're cut in a rectangle, and you will need to do the half moon on the side, on one side, and the pattern is in there. And also there is a generous supply of thread in there. So this one is listed and looking for a new home in case anyone is interested.